So everything's looking good here. It's on and off, it's working properly. Shower head is working properly. So we're all good here.